Welcome to Process Insight, where innovation meets industrial precision. Today, we take you deep inside a modern Loquat processing facility, where small, delicate fruits are transformed into a vibrant, smooth, bright orange puree. From freshly harvested Loquats to washing, sorting, pulping, refining, and finally creating a silky, ready-to-use puree, this is a complete farm-to-factory journey. If you enjoy satisfying factory processes, flowing production lines, and advanced food engineering, this experience will keep you engaged from start to finish. Let's step inside. At the facility, the Loquats are unloaded using automated lifting systems. Crates are gently tilted and emptied onto wide conveyor belts. Care is taken to avoid crushing or bruising the fruit. Soft conveyor surfaces and controlled movement ensure smooth handling. From here, the Loquats begin their journey through a fully automated production line. Every movement is calculated, precise, and continuous. The first critical stage is cleaning. Loquats are transferred into large stainless steel washing tanks filled with filtered water. Powerful yet gentle water jets spray the fruits from multiple angles. This removes dirt, dust, residues from the orchard. In some systems, food-safe sanitizing agents are added to eliminate bacteria and surface contaminants. Rotating drums and bubbling systems keep the fruits in motion, ensuring every surface is thoroughly cleaned. At the end of this stage, the Loquats emerge fresh, clean, and ready for processing. After washing, the Loquats move on to inspection conveyors. Here, advanced optical sorting machines analyze each fruit. High-speed cameras scan for color consistency, size uniformity, surface defects, ripeness level. Defective or damaged fruits are automatically removed. In addition, trained workers visually inspect the flow to ensure only premium quality Loquats continue forward. This step guarantees that the final puree maintains high standards. Next comes preparation. Loquats naturally contain large seeds which must be removed before processing. Specialized machines separate stems, cut open the fruits, extract seeds efficiently. This process is done at high speed while preserving as much pulp as possible. The edible portion is collected and immediately transferred to the next stage. Now the transformation begins. The prepared Loquat flesh is fed into industrial crushers. These machines break down the fruit into a soft, thick pulp. The natural color starts to intensify. A rich, bright orange hue begins to form. The aroma becomes noticeable, sweet, slightly tangy, and fresh. This pulp contains natural sugars, fiber, and juice. It is the foundation of the final puree. The pulp is transferred into large processing tanks. Here, it undergoes controlled heating. The purpose of heating is to kill harmful microorganisms, stabilize the product, and prepare it for refining. At the same time, enzymes may be introduced. These enzymes break down cell walls, improve texture, enhance smoothness. This step is essential for achieving a uniform, silky puree. Next, the pulp moves into refining machines. These systems push the pulp through fine sieves. Any remaining seeds, skin particles, and fibrous material are removed. The result is a smooth, consistent puree. The texture becomes silky, and the color becomes even more vibrant. This is where the product truly starts to look like finished puree. To ensure uniformity, the puree undergoes homogenization. High-pressure systems break down particles into extremely fine sizes. This creates even texture, stable consistency, and improved mouthfeel. The puree becomes perfectly blended, with no separation.
After processing, the puree is rapidly cooled. Cooling prevents flavor loss, bacterial growth, and texture changes. The puree is then transferred into sealed storage tanks. These tanks are temperature-controlled to maintain freshness until packaging. Now the puree is ready for packaging. Depending on the final product, it may be filled into bottles, pouches, or industrial containers. The packaging line includes container cleaning, sterilization, filling, sealing. All steps are automated and performed under strict hygiene standards. Each package is labeled with product information, batch number, and expiry date. Quality control systems scan every unit to ensure accuracy and consistency. Defective packaging is automatically removed. Finished products are grouped into cartons. Robotic arms stack them onto pallets with precision and speed. The entire process is synchronized, creating a smooth, satisfying industrial flow. Finally, the pallets are loaded onto trucks. From here, the Loquat puree travels to food manufacturers, supermarkets, and export markets, and eventually to consumers around the world. And that's how raw Loquats are transformed into a bright, smooth puree. From harvesting to washing to pulping to packaging, every step is driven by precision, technology, and efficiency. If you enjoyed this journey inside a modern processing facility, make sure to subscribe to Process Insight, because here we explore how the world is made. What process should we explore next? Let us know in the comments below.